for them and you, and a precious little book tells it all so true. Down on the little form, alhamdulillah.
Hi guys, it's Chefnads here. In honor of Earth Day, I'm sharing some delicious plant-based recipes which are so easy to make and also incredibly healthy. Today's recipe is hummus. This is a great snack time meal, eaten as a dip with some veggie sticks. Chickpeas are high in fibre and protein, which is so important for a growing child. As always, please do check for any allergies when making this recipe. Right, let's get to it. So there you have it, hummus. Thank you so much for watching, and I really look forward to sharing some more recipes with you. See you next time. Bye.
Zayn Zayna, they are special stories for them and you.